Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to install dev C++ and then we are going to create basic C program in dev C++. Search dev C++, open this website. You can read about this IDE from here. Features are here. Click on download button and your download will start shortly. Click on save button. After that, run exe file. Dev C++ is a free full-featured IDE. It is good compiler for C and C++. Click OK. I agree. Next. Installing. Please wait. Click on finish button. Please wait. You can learn much more from here. Next. And here is dev C++. Create new source file and press Ctrl plus S to save this file. Or go to save as, projects, and here test.c. C is the extension of your program for C language. Save this and then write this one, include stdio.h and here void main printf this as message. So you can run this program or you can compile this program by using this button or by pressing F9. So F9 is for compile and F10 is for compile run, and F11 is for compile and run for both. So I press F11 and this is message. Here is the process time and our program is created successfully. So if you open project folder, and in project folder we have two files. One is source file and another one is the exe file. Open this one simply, and here you can include conio.h and here is get ch, compile and run both. This is message, and now close this one, go to the folder and run this file again. This is message. So suppose if I change this file like that, this is second message and this is first message, press Ctrl plus S and then run the program by clicking run button, and this is message because we are going to run this program only. Every time click this button, compile and run. So with respect to any changes you made into your code, then click this button, run and compile, otherwise click only run button. So click compile and run. This is first message, this is second message, and here is our program. Now open from here, also the result is same. C is a basic and simple language. C is a computer programming language for general purpose. It is a structural language, so by using C we can apply data structures concept. I hope you will like this course. Thank you for watching this video.